Hi guys, in this short video, I'm gonna tell you that how you can easily create Instagram chat polls. So that's quite simple, but before starting the tutorial, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and you have liked the video. So let's get started. So first of all, you will have to open the Instagram application. Now click on that plus. Now go to the messages on the top right corner. Now keep one thing in mind that you can only send polls to groups. So if you have a group, then open it. For example, I've got this one. Now simply click on the stickers icon on the bottom right. Click on it. Now you can see a poll option on the top left. Click on it. Now you can add a question like favorite game, for example, and you can add options football and add option cricket. And once you will click on create poll, the poll will be created. Now click go back, and the poll will be created like this. You can see in the top right here. So that's how you can easily create a poll on Instagram chats. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.